This could be the car for you. The 2020 Dodge Journey. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, fog lamps, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, third row seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.